A presentation session can be dry and boring, or it can be interesting and engaging. Boring or engaging depends on a couple of factors: the presenter, the slides, and sometimes both. Very often, an experienced presenter can make the presentation session engaging without relying too much on the slides. However, with slides that are also interesting and engaging, the audience experience will be even better. That is what we always want to achieve every time we present. And in this video, this is exactly what I want to talk about. Making little touches to your slide design to create a huge impact on your presentation. Welcome to another episode of Amazing Sticky Presentations inspired by Sticky Spy, bringing you tips, ideas, design for better presentation, turning your ideas into lasting impressions. Hey, if you are new to this channel and don't know me, my name is Tian, and I help individuals communicate with confidence through high-impact presentations. So, in this video, let's talk about some tricks to make your presentation slides more interesting and engaging. You know, little touches can actually go a long way in making your slides visually more appealing, which then will lead to being perceived to be more interesting. We can apply these little touches to photo images, text objects, charts, diagrams, and more. Any visual objects will benefit from these tips that I'm about to discuss. Let's focus on one thing in this video: photo images. Here is an example of a slide with an image on the left and some text on the right. Overall, this slide looks a little boring and not exciting. By adding a border or a frame and a little rotation to the image, makes the overall slides stand out from the other slides. Visually, the overall slides now looks more interesting. To do this on PowerPoint, you double-click on the image and then choose a frame to apply. I recommend choosing a simple frame, one with a simple border and a little shadow. Then while the photo image is selected, rotate it anti-clockwise. Just a little will do. This will immediately give a unique visual appearance to the overall slide. If you are using Keynote, go to Border and select Picture Frame. Then hold on to the Command key on the keyboard while you click on a corner point of the image to rotate it a little. Let's look at another image trick. As I work with images on my presentations, I realized that having the image fill up the whole slide actually makes the image comes alive. For this to work, you need to use a high-resolution image so that when you enlarge the image, it is still clear and sharp. Remember to hold on to the Shift key on your keyboard while you drag the image corner to enlarge the image. If the image is not in the correct ratio as your slide, just enlarge the image beyond the size of your slide. And then double-click on the image and use the crop tool to crop away the excess image. Let's put the presentation on slideshow mode to see how it looks like. Wow, looks really good, right? Oh, by the way, have you subscribed to this channel yet? If you are new and have yet to subscribe, why not consider subscribing to this channel? It doesn't cost you anything, and it will encourage me to produce more videos like this. If you are already a subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch this video. And since you are here, how about giving this video a like? Having the image fill up the whole slide. Now, you might decide you want a title for this slide or a key message to go along with this image. To do that, add a text box and type in the title. Increase the font size to make it more visible. You can also add a fill to the text box to increase the contrast of the text against the image. To do the same thing in Keynote, the process is similar. Drag the corner of the selected photo image to enlarge it while holding on the Shift key on the keyboard. Then, double-click on the image. Drag the crop handle that appears on the image to crop the image to the size of the slide. To add text, click on the text tool to add a text box and type in the required text. While the text box is selected, go to Format Pane on the right to increase the size of the text. Click on the Style tab and fill the text box with a color fill. Drag the side of the text box to lengthen the width of the box and reposition the text box where you want it to be. You can change the transparency of the text box by clicking on the Fill Color wheel and adjusting the opacity slider. That's it, it's all done. Click on the play button to go into slideshow mode. Looks fantastic, isn't it? If you like what you see in this video and would like to learn more, check out my online course on designing high-impact presentations. I also provide presentation coaching if you need personal guidance to help you with your presentations. Links are in the description area below. Try out these 2 image tricks on your next presentation. You will notice that with little touches, they create huge impact to your overall design of your slides. After trying out these tricks, let me know what you think. Did it work for you? Did you face any challenges while applying this in PowerPoint or Keynote? Until my next video, be amazing in your next presentation. Bye-bye.